Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today we'll be making... Okay guys, so we're going to be making some Italian sausage with some peppers. I'm going to add tomatoes. So I have a red bell pepper here. I have 2 tomatoes. You can add more tomatoes if you wish. I'm going to be adding 4 cloves of garlic, some seasoning peppers that I have remaining, not much, and some onion here. So we're going to use this in order to make our sausage and peppers and tomatoes as well. So let me get to washing everything and cutting everything up. Okay guys, so I have cut up all my vegetables to add to my sausage. As you can see here, I actually added more tomatoes than I initially had showed you. So I have my tomatoes, garlic, onion, red bell pepper, and seasoning peppers. All right. So what we're going to do first is we're going to brown our sausage first. Okay. We're going to be using our cast iron skillet and we're going to finish cooking in the oven. But we're going to brown the sausage and then we're going to saute our veggies and then we will finish cooking in the oven. So let's get to browning our sausages. I'm going to be using my electric lighter to light my stove. If you're interested in purchasing one of these, I will leave a link in the description so that you can click in order to purchase one for yourself. I'm going to add a little bit of oil to my skillet here. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've browned my sausage a little bit, so I'm now going to remove it from the pan and set it aside. It's not completely cooked because we're going to finish cooking this in the oven. So I'm just going to remove it from the pan now so that I can saute the vegetables. Let me just saute the onions and the peppers a little bit and then I'll add the garlic. Now to this I'm going to add some sea salt. And just mix everything through so you can get some of the flavor from the drippings coating all the veggies. Alright, so we want to leave this to saute a while. I'm just going to add some salt to this. This one here is pink salt. What I'm also going to add is some sugar. So I'm going to balance the salt with a little bit of sweet. So I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of sugar to this. And I am going to create a little bit of a gravy, and to do that I will use some tomato ketchup and some chicken broth to create a little bit of a gravy so that I can put it in the oven to finish cooking. So at this point I'm adding the garlic so we can get all that flavor infused into everything. Okay, so let me sprinkle a little bit of sugar on this as well. You know, tomatoes tend to be a little bit acidic, so the sugar will help to balance off that. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of tomato ketchup, because like I said, we're going to let it finish in the oven. So let's add a little bit of tomato ketchup to this, so we can create a little gravy. I will add a little bit of chicken broth as well. Stir everything. Okay. So now I'm going to nestle the sausages back in this here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my thermometer. I'm going to stick it into one of these sausages, so that will help me in cooking this. Again, I will leave a link in the description to my thermometer, so if you're interested, you can purchase one for yourself. All right, let me get a thermometer. I'll just add the juice from here back to it. Okay, so this is my thermometer here, and this probe is what I will stick into the sausage, okay? And this is a target temperature, so when it reaches that temperature, it will alarm. So let me just stick it into one of these here. Okay, just rest that there. All right, so let me head over to the oven. Okay guys, so our Italian sausages with peppers, onions and tomatoes is now completed. I will leave a link in the description both for the electric lighter and the meat thermometer, so if you're interested in purchasing those items, you can use the link in the description. So once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.